Do you have an event coming up that you want to let people know about? Facebook events are a great free tool that you can use to let your current and potential customers know about your upcoming event. Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video I will show you how to create a Facebook event that is effective, eye-catching, and can help you get more bookings for your tourism event. First, make sure you have a Facebook business page. I'll show you how to get that set up in another video. Log into your page and go to the events section. We're logging into the Wildtrek business page. You can pick whether your event is online or in person. Let's say you want to organise a new hiking tour to Millery. Give your event a memorable name. You can get as creative as you like here. Using a compelling name helps your event stand out and catch people's attention. Now add the time and date of the event and select a privacy setting. This means you can select whether your event can be seen by everyone, some select groups, or only to people you send an invite to. Adding the location of an event is essential. If it's not clear where people are meant to meet for the event, no matter how interesting it is, no one will show up. So add your location or meeting point here. You can then add a description. This is where you'll give important information about your event, such as pricing, special guests, and the schedule. The description can be as long as possible, but remember you want to keep it interesting to appeal to those who are on the fence. For example, if you're hosting a guided hike, good information for people to know would be how long the hike is, who would it be suitable for, and how do they book their place. Now it's time to add a photo to your event. Your Facebook event photo should be eye-catching and make people want to find out more. For example, if you're promoting a guided hike, a beautiful image of the mountain would pique people's interest. Then, once your event is complete and looking super enticing, it's time to invite people. You can invite up to 500 people, so make sure to start with those who you believe are interested in attending and who might even spread the word for you. For example, inviting loyal customers or people who have attended previous events. And there you have it! Your event is good to go. In other videos, we will cover how you can create an engaging Facebook story to promote your tourism business and how to go live with your event on TikTok. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at faultireland.ie.